technology here is more of a foundation to the company and not just a concept. I originally was interested in construction based off of technology adaptation and utilization in the field. One of the coolest things about being at Suffolk is the open-mindedness to technology integration. Suffolk Technologies has really matured into infrastructure that we use. It's how we build, is both this two-part thing of it being very calculated, meticulous, and purposeful, driven to solve a problem. And on the other end, it's incredibly aggressive where you're doing lots of just testing to just at any cost kind of win on the front of technology.
Suffolk is creating some of their own technologies now, and their piloting process as they make these technologies has been great to work with. We use scheduling software that was built by Suffolk. The job I'm on now is part of the pilot. Our team was a huge part in really developing the tool. They were really asking us, how should we build this and make it as user-friendly and effective for you as possible? It's great that we get to use it every day because it's so much easier than Microsoft Project or marking up the P6 schedule on Bluebeam and sending it in.
And one of the things that we just had an opportunity to do is take on a team that had an autonomous wheelbarrow. So it can actually move on its own, kind of with a remote control. And at first, our labor foreman was kind of rolling his eyes. He didn't really think that it was going to be anything worthwhile. By the end of the day, he didn't want to give it up.
I think it's refreshing. We're doing a lot of this stuff in-house. And from a field guy's perspective, a real boots on the ground guy, you see the benefits of that from a perspective of, hey, these tools actually got integrated from what we clashed around and beat around. The companies that we work with are on board with us, with our field teams, actually trying to tailor the tools to Suffolk's use, not just the industry's use, but to Suffolk's use.
From 8 years ago when I started to now, it's actually incredible how much more technology we've implemented into our projects, and it makes it easier. It makes our lives easier every single day.
So it's pretty cool. If you are interested in construction technology, this is somewhere where your voice is going to be heard and you'll make a difference in how these tools are going to be utilized.